Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to show you how to make this super easy door bow right in the Bowdabra, so let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the end underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my tails and we're just going to fold them in half, and I've already dovetailed the ends. I'm just going to lay those down. Then I'm going to take my next tail, and we're just going to lay that into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my mesh tail, and to give it a clean finish, I've already knotted and cut off the fray. Then what I'm going to do is take my mesh, and I'm just going to roll over a little bit here so the fray doesn't show, and I'm just going to scrunch this down into my Bowdabra, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side so the fray doesn't show. Then what I'm going to do is take, and I've kind of curled this because I'm going to want to bring it, in fact I'll do that now, bring it around to the back. So we'll lay this in here, and now it's behind. So we'll lay that down there. Then I'm going to take my, I'm going to take my flowers first. So I'm going to take the flowers, and I've divided it, and we're going to put it in here. And I'm actually going to put my flowers this way because I want them going up. So we'll put this down in here. Then I'm going to take my ribbon here, my note ribbon, and if you're interested in any of the ribbons that we use, just check in the description below and we'll give you links to where you can purchase them. Now we're going to fold this over, and I'm just going to fold and twist so the right side of my ribbon is on the outside of my loop. And I just love this ribbon because it's so musical. And now we'll fold it back and forth, and fold it back and just twist. So all I'm doing here is just folding, twisting, and putting it into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to take this last piece and scrunch that down. And the next thing that I'm going to do is take my, let's see, these are pretty long pieces, and I'm going to take my burlap and my sparkle ribbon, and I'm going to put the burlap on top. Now, the wrong side of the burlap is the side where you see the wire. Otherwise, it looks pretty the same. So we're going to twist it, and I'm going to just fold this back over and twist. And that's all we're going to do here is basically just fold and twist. So if you're just watching us for the first time, or you've watched us before and you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, please subscribe to our Facebook channel. We're just going to put this in here, and I'm just going to fold it back and forth, and I want this ribbon in the middle of my sparkle ribbon. So we're just going to fold it back and bring it back around, and again I'm going to just fold it and twist. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to lay these in here before I finish making my bow. Lay that there, and I'm going to lay this one going this direction, and I'm going to finish folding my bow so it goes on the outside of my florals. And just fold this back, and when I shape it, I'll get everything shaped so it all looks perfect. And we'll just fold this back, and I'm going to twist, and you can see we've got a lot in the Bowdabra here. So also, just in case you're not familiar, we do a live every Monday on both YouTube and Facebook. And the live is at 4 p.m. Pacific. It's on Mondays, 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central and 7 Eastern. So I'm just going to fold this back in, and on the lives we give away a free roll of Bowdabra ribbon. So I'm going to just take my wand and scrunch everything in there and bring it back up. Then it's kind of got everything so much in here that I'm just going to have to hold down that last little piece of ribbon and bring this back up. I'm going to pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Now I can pull it out of the Bowdabra, and I'm going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And now I'm just going to pull it tight, and now I'm just going to tie a knot. So this is great. We made this for Christmas in July, but it obviously works for Christmas. And I'm just going to leave this on here so you can tie it onto something to hang it. So now we'll just shape all of our tails out, and let's bring these together here and shape out all of our loops. And I'm going to bring this loop here, and again I'm going to continue shaping and bring this around here and bring these around, and I'm putting this in the center here, and we'll bring this one and this, and we're going to, again, we're just bringing, so the center, so the burlap is in the center of the loops. Bring this around here, and that puts the burlap in the center, and we're just going to finish shaping this up. So I'm just going to finish shaping up the ribbon, and we'll just pull this so that the center's in the middle for those loops, and just take my music loops, and now you have this super gorgeous, easy to make Christmas doorbell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.